and spirit, we used to come the brand new day with open hearts. So, let's step into the world of learning and discovery as we commence our today's assembly.
Everybody, myself Kaustubh Patil, President of English Learners Club. Let's now stand together filled with respect and patriotism as we pay homage to our nation with national anthem. Let's stand straight, proud for our national anthem and Maharashtra Geet. Let us now come together to declare our commitment and responsibility. Let's stand straight, place your right hand in your heart and repeat after them.
सारे भारतीय माझे बांधव आहे, माझ्या देशावर माझे प्रेम आहे, माझ्या देशातल्या समृद्ध आणि विविध नटलेल्या परंपरांचा मला अभिमान आहे. या परंपरांचा पायी होण्याची पात्रता माझ्याही यावी म्हणून मी सर्व प्रयत्न करेन. मी माझ्या पालकांचा, गुरुजनांचा आणि वडीलधाऱ्या माणसांचा मान ठेवेन आणि प्रत्येकाशी सौजन्याने वागेन. माझा देश आणि माझे देशबांधव यांच्याशी विश्वास राखण्याची मी प्रतिज्ञा करत आहे. त्यांचे कल्याण आणि त्यांची समृद्धी यातच माझे सौख्य सांभाळले आहे. जय हिंद.
All of you sit on your place without making any noise.
Prayer gives us hope and strength to unite our voice in singing, inviting divine blessing our school prayer for a day ahead.
जयते मधुरी
start our routine, let's pause for a moment. Calm your mind, close your eyes, take a deep breath and let's meditate for a moment.
बेटे सावधान. आणि आपण सदैव तयारीत राहायचं आहे. ध्यान मुद्रामध्ये बसायचं आहे विद्यार्थ्यांनी. विश्राम. विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपले दोन्ही हात कलेवर चोळून घ्यायचे आणि चेहऱ्यावर फिरवून घ्यायचे आहेत.
To fill your mind with inspiration, here is our thought of the day. May this thought guide us through our endeavors.
Good morning everyone. Myself Reyans from English Learner Club. Today's good thought. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Means every mistake you do in your life, you learn something new. So never stop learning from your life and life will also never stop teaching you. Thank you.
I would like to invite Netra to say a few words about our today's almanac.
Hello, good morning. Myself Netra from English Learners Club. Today's almanac. Sunrise was at 7:15 a.m. Sunset will be at 5:40 p.m. According to Marathi calendar, today is Angarki Chaturthi of Krishna Paksha, month Maga, Nakshatra Ashesha. Thank you.
Each day in a calendar year is important. Let's hear importance of 6 January.
Hello, good morning. Myself Fauna from English Learners Club. Today's importance of the day. 6 January is celebrated as Armed Forces Day by Indian Army. In United States of America, it is known as Three Kings Day. Thank you.
The world of science is full of wonder. Did you know some facts about Venus? To present the facts about Venus, I would like to invite Manasvi.
Hello, good morning. Myself Manasvi from English Learner Club. Today's science fact. First, Venus is the closest planet to Earth. Second, Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky after Moon. Third, Venus has no moon, no ring. Fourth, Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system. Fifth, one day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Thank you.
Staying informed is the first step toward responsible citizenship. Let's hear some latest happening around the globe.
Hello, good morning. Myself Sara. I am here with today's headline. First, Trump trumpets Jordan doctrine warning Colombia, Cuba and Mexico. Second, Supreme Court denies Umar Sharjeel bail, allow it for co-accused. Third,
Supreme Court error attack extend to anything that threatens national integrity and sovereignty. 4. Uttarakhand may ban non-Hindus entry to 105 Haridwar Ghat. 5. Bangladesh ban IPL broadcast. Thank you.
From voice assistant to smart device, AI has become an everyday part of our life. But how does AI connect to human? To answer this, I would like to invite my friends to answer the question AI and human. Hello, myself Shraddha from English Learners Club.
Hello, myself Soham Mungaji from English Learner Club.
Hello, are you really an AI?
Yes, I am designed to answer question and learn from interaction.
Do you think like a human do?
Not exactly. I don't have feeling and personal experience, but understand our partner's language and give response thoughtfully.
Can you help me for learning new things?
Of course, me help to you in your homework to learn new things.
That sounds useful. Do you ever get tired?
I don't feel tired. I am appreciate to you for this clever question.
Thanks. I think we will get along well.
Don't fear. I am always here when you need my help.
Do you get wonder why humans create AI?
Humans create AI to extend their abilities and I am one of them.
Do you afraid to making mistakes?
I don't feel fair and I am designed to reduce errors.
Can you replace humans someday?
Replace no support. Humans have emotion I truly process at that time.
Then what's your purpose?
To help humans in their problems.
That sounds meaningful.
Meanings are come from humans and I will reflect it back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Values shape our character. Today's life skill lesson is on empathy. We need to remember and understand each other's feelings.
Good morning everyone. Myself Swara Santosh Patil from English Learners Club. First of all, I express greetings to Karma Viranna and Lakshmi Vahini. It gives me immense pleasure to take this opportune moment and air my views before such august gathering on the topic of the idol of sacrifice, Rayat Mauli, Sir Lakshmibai Bhaurao Patil. Every successful person had a woman behind. Like that, Rayat Mauli, Sir Lakshmibai Bhaurao Patil was a strong supporter of Karmavir Bhaurao Patil for establishing Rayat Shikshan Sanstha. She was born in Anna Patil's family at Kumbhoj. Her nickname was Adapka. She got married with Bhaurao Patil in 1912. She was not well educated, but was mannered person. She had all the good qualities required for a good housewife. She was an orthodox woman. Being an orthodox, she was a big visitor to the new environment at Bhaurao's home. Bhaurao's mission was to educate all types of caste and creed students. So she kept alone for a few years of all this. Then gradually, she understood the noble cause of education for the masses. Then she started work with Anna. Here becomes the transformation of an orthodox woman to a loving mother for the Shau boarding students. In the Shau boarding, her brother-in-law Bandhu Patil was studying. He called her Vaini. So, all students used to call her Vaini. In this way, she became Vaini to all. She treated the Rai students like her own children. She showed motherly love and care towards them. When the number of students increases in the Shau boarding, the needs and requirements also increases. And it was difficult to run hostel for Bhaurao Patil. But fortunately, Lakshmi Vaini was from rich family. She handed over all the golden ornament one by one, including even her sacred Mangal Sutra. She said, "My real Mangal Sutra is Anna. Anna itself is my golden ornament. So no worries about golden ornament like this." Really, Lakshmi Vaini was an idol of sacrifice. She was compared to Lord Vardikarna for its devotional nature. Let us remember the divine soul of Rayat Mauli and follow her values in our life. Thank you.
Now it's time for question and answer round.
Hello, myself Priyanshi from English Learners Club. Today's quiz. Are you ready? First, who is the writer of Rayat Git? Right answer. Second. Answer. Vitthal Vad. Second. Which is the largest organ in the human body? Answer. Skin. Third. Which is the hardest natural substance on the earth? Right answer. Diamond. 4. What is the formula of square? Yes, right answer, side multiplied by side. Fifth, which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Yes, right answer is Punjab. Thank you. Today some of our friends are celebrating their birthday, so let's wish them. Happy birthday to Jia Damde and Ishika Jadhav. As you are near to end of our today's assembly, so let's carry the forward the energy inspiration lesson into our day. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn something new and it will help you. Thank you. Today's assembly is over. Have a great day.
छान